This is a follow-up to my recent video on fully auditable voting systems. Please watch that video first. I wanted to address the one problem I can think of, other than complexity, that is actually worse with fully auditable voting systems than it is with traditional voting systems, and why I think that's changing. End-to-end auditable voting technology has been around for 15 years. Why do I think now is the time to press for widespread adoption? Well, one reason is that Bitcoin and cryptography are now trusted technologies. While it's true that 2022 was a bad year for Bitcoin because of securities fraud, Bitcoin technology is still going strong. It is possible to commit securities fraud with gold certificates, but nobody thinks gold doesn't work. A second reason is that 2 out of the last 6 US presidential elections were disputed. Allow me to draw your attention to this chart of the voter trust in elections from 2020. You will notice that at no point did more than 82% of Democrats say that they trusted elections some or a lot. So it's not just a few nutjobs on the fringe that are disputing the elections. See the link in the description for more information. Also, close elections are the new normal. The last presidential election with double-digit popular vote margin was 1984. Finally, deepfake technology is advancing rapidly. This last point is the one I want to address in detail here. Let's talk about the ballot selfie problem. A voter can take a photo of her ballot with her smartphone and share it. This is actually legal in many jurisdictions. First of all, please don't normalize this. You're toying with Bleeding Kansas 2.0, and this is not something that anybody wants to repeat. See the link in the description if you're not familiar with Bleeding Kansas. With a traditional voting system, the voter can, in theory, discard the photographed ballot and vote a different ballot unless she has taken a video of herself placing the ballot in the ballot box. Voting a new ballot is pretty inconvenient, but at least you can do it if you have to. With a fully auditable voting system, a coercer can verify whether or not the photographed ballot was actually voted. This is a significant problem. My proposed solution to this problem is ballot deepfakes. A website could conveniently enable the voter to deepfake her ballot photos and videos. All she would have to do is first, upload the images. Second, specify how those images should show that she voted. And third, download the deepfakes with the time and location metadata unmodified. This would be a good thing to have even with traditional systems. In 2018, this would have been a PhD thesis project. But in 2023, this could be a hobby project for a programmer with ordinary skill in the art of deepfakery. That's how fast this technology is advancing. The cost of performing this service at scale would decline rapidly over time. There are open issues, however. Fooling every human is straightforward. But deepfakes are developed using generative adversarial networks. See the link in the description. The detector networks that are produced as a byproduct of this development are hard to fool. It would be easy to find out if the bad guys are using them nefariously because coercers would reject deepfaked images. Stopping the bad guys from doing that might be more difficult. So what do you think? Is this impractical? Is it doomed to fail? Leave a comment or you can tweet at me at SteelesDad. I ask only that you keep your comments nonpartisan. Thank you for watching and have yourself a great day.